Hi everyone, it's Andrew from RunSensible. Let's explore how to add, modify, or remove users, create teams, assign roles, and set up permissions to streamline collaboration within your firm in RunSensible. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Let's begin. RunSensible allows you to add several users to the software. This enables you to include all members of your team. You can then assign specific roles to each team member, giving you control over what they can do within the software. By managing each role's permissions, you can determine the actions and features accessible to each user. To add users, click Settings. Then, select Users and click User Management. To add a new user, click the Invite User button at the top. Then, you'll see a form where you enter the new user's first name, last name, and email. After that, choose the role for the new user from the Roles drop-down menu. Then, click the Invite User button at the bottom of the form. After adding the new user, an email will be automatically sent to their provided email address for verification purposes. The new user should then check their email inbox and locate the verification email. Inside this email, they will find a button labeled Verify Account. By clicking on this button, they confirm and activate their account. Upon verification, the user will be directed to another interface where they can manage their account details. Here, they have the option to edit their first name, last name, and email address. Additionally, they are required to provide a phone number and set a password for their account by entering the necessary information in the provided boxes. Within this interface, there is a field labeled Referral where the user can mention the person who referred them if applicable. Then check the CAPTCHA and agree to our terms of service. Once all required information is entered, the user should click on the Sign Up button located at the bottom of the interface to finalize the account setup process and gain access to their account. To manage the permissions for different roles, navigate to Settings, select Users, and click on User Management. Then, navigate to the Permissions tab. Here, you will find 3 columns labeled Roles, Users, and Permissions. In the Roles column, you will see a list of all available roles within the software. Click on the specific role for which you want to adjust permissions. Note that the admin role typically has full permissions by default, but you can customize permissions for other roles as needed. Next, in the Users column, you will see a list of all users assigned to the selected role. Additionally, there is a drop-down menu at the top of this column that displays users who do not currently have this role. You can use this drop-down menu to assign the selected role to specific users if it has not already been assigned. Each user listed in the Users column has a corresponding box. At the bottom of each box, there is a drop-down menu labeled Change Role, which allows you to reassign the user to a different role within the software. In the Permissions column, you will find a list of actions that users with a selected role can perform within different parts of the software. You can toggle these permissions on or off by clicking the respective on or off buttons located to the right of each permission. This allows you to finally control the access and capabilities of users based on their assigned roles. With RunSensible, you can organize your firm members into teams, allowing you to grant permissions to specific groups of people to see certain information in different software sections. To create teams, navigate to Settings, click on Users, and select Team Management. To add a new team, click the Create Team button. Enter a name for your team in the designated box. Then, click on the Users drop-down menu, where you will find a list of all the users in your software. Select the users you wish to include in this team. Once you have made your selections, click on the Save button at the top to finalize the creation of your team. Additionally, clicking the Edit button on the right side allows you to modify the details, adjust the settings of the selected team. Meanwhile, clicking the Trash button will permanently delete the selected team, typically after a confirmation prompt to prevent accidental deletion. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. As always, we want to thank you for choosing RunSensible.